Rahul's English journey. Rahul was a 21-year-old boy who lived in a small town with his mother and younger brother. They didn't have much money, but they were happy together. Rahul worked in a general store. He helped customers, arranged goods, and cleaned the shop. He was hardworking and honest, but deep inside, he had a dream. He wanted to speak English. Rahul could understand a few English words, but he couldn't speak. He felt shy and nervous. Whenever someone talked in English, he stayed quiet. He was afraid of making mistakes. What if people laugh at me? He thought. So he never tried. One day, a tourist came into the store and asked, "How much is this shirt?" Rahul could not reply. His friend Ramesh answered quickly in English. The tourist smiled and said, "Your English is very good." That moment hurt Rahul. He said to himself, "I will learn English. I must learn English." From that day, Rahul started learning. Every morning, he stood in front of the mirror and said, "I want to speak English. I can speak English." He started using small sentences like, "I am going. Give me water. Come here. Where is the bag?" These simple lines helped him build confidence. He also bought a notebook. Every day he wrote 5 easy sentences. Then he read them out loud. "I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come back home." These small daily sentences helped him speak naturally. Rahul followed 3 simple steps. First, he spoke slowly. Second, he repeated sentences. Third, he used easy words. For example, he said, "I like tea. I like tea. I like tea." Or, "She is my friend. She is my friend." He spoke every sentence 2 or 3 times. He started watching cartoons and simple English shows. He paused the video and repeated the lines. He learned phrases like, "What are you doing? Let's play. Don't go there. I'm hungry. And give me that." He slowly began using them in real life. Rahul made another rule. Every evening, he and his little brother would speak in English for 10 minutes. His brother was also learning, so it was fun. They spoke like, "Are you hungry? Let's go to sleep. Close the door. I want rice. Take this book." These were easy but very useful. Rahul also practiced when he was alone. He talked to himself in English. "I am tired. I will eat now. Where is my phone?" These small lines helped him think in English. He used common verbs like eat, go, come, sit, stand, give, take, open, close, simple daily actions. One day, Rahul went to the library. He met an English teacher there. The teacher said, "Don't worry about grammar too much. Just speak every day. Speak to yourself. Listen and repeat." Rahul asked, "How long should I speak?" The teacher said, "At least 30 minutes daily. Practice makes you better." Rahul made a routine. In the morning, he watched 10 minutes of cartoons in English. He paused and repeated lines. Then, he wrote sentences in his notebook. In the evening, he practiced with his brother. He also recorded his voice and listened. He started using new patterns like, "Can I help? Let's go. I want to eat. Please give me. And where are you going?" Some people laughed at him. They said, "Why are you speaking like this?" But Rahul smiled and said, "I am learning. I want to grow." He didn't stop. He believed in himself. One day, Rahul saw a job post for a call center. The ad said, "Basic English required." He applied. After a few days, he got a phone call. A lady asked, "Can you speak in English?" Rahul was nervous but said, "Yes, I can speak a little. I am learning every day." The lady smiled and said, "Good. You are selected. We will train you more." Rahul was so happy. It was his first job where he would speak English daily. In the new job, he spoke with customers. He used phrases like, "Please wait a moment. How can I help you? Have a nice day. And thank you for calling." He copied the way his seniors spoke. He kept learning and improving. After 6 months, Rahul became confident in speaking English. He didn't speak very fast, but his words were clear and easy to understand. People started to respect him more. He even started a small spoken English class in his town. In his class, he always said, "Yes, you can speak English. Start today. Use simple words. Practice every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes." Rahul's dream had come true. From being silent in a shop to speaking in front of thousands, he had come a long way. And it all started with simple words, small steps, and the courage to try. Homework. Speak and practice daily English sentences. Task 1. Daily practice, 5 minutes. Stand in front of a mirror and say these 5 sentences loudly. I want to learn English. I can speak simple sentences. I will practice every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak slowly but clearly. Say each sentence 3 times. Task 2. Make your own sentences. Use these words to make simple sentences. Wake up, drink water, go to school, read a book, talk to a friend. Write 5 simple sentences using these actions. Example. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Task 3. Speak for 1 minute. Choose any one topic and speak for 1 minute. My daily routine, my family, my best friend. Don't worry about grammar. Just try to speak.